Hello mga kabusog! Have a great and wonderful day, everyone! So, yun mga kabusog, today, I will discuss the introduction about computers. Since we are now on the age of technology, so we need to know what's the basic about computers. But today, we will focus on ICT. So what is an ICT? So ICT is Information and Communications Technology. So I know some of you knows about the basic, but of course dahil matagal na rin tayong nakapag-aral o matagal na rin natin natutunan about the basic of computers, we will go back from the lessons that given to us by our teachers on our past grade level. So, but today I will focus on the topic which is discussed or given back to the grade 9 and grade 10 students with the specialization of ICT. Okay. So, as what I have said a while ago, ICT stands for Information and Communications Technology. Okay, so ICT consists of hardware, software, network media for the collection, storage, processing, transmission, and presentation of information via text and images, as well as the related services. As what you have heard, ICT is composed or uses of text and images. So, or in other forms, which is laging ginagamit natin ngayon is yung mga chats, diba? And the video calls is also a part of an ICT. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so the first we will discuss is computer. So what's all about computer, or what is a computer ba? Okay, so computer is an electronic machine that can store with large amounts of information. Sabi dyan, it can store a large amount of information. Pag sinabing large, a huge amount, di ba? So, computer is look like Manila. Or, yes, it's Manila. Kasi in Manila, di ba, you can get different information, di ba? Huge information, kahit ano makita mo dyan. So, it look like computer. Okay. Then, of course, computer is not an acronym and sometimes abbreviated as comp or computer. So the term computer was originally given to humans or the human computers. So who performed numerical calculation using mechanical calculators such as the abacus and the slide rule. So nung unang mga panahon, mga kabusog, computer is yung tao. So ibig sabihin, who made the technology that we have today is human. And ibig sabihin lang nun, si human din ang pwedeng sumira sa technology na meron tayo. Because it's made by us. Yan. So before, computer is tinatawag na human computer kasi sila yung mismong gumagawa computing by using the abacus. Ayan. So abacus is the first calculator or the first computer na tinatawag ng mga panahon na yon. Okay, so yon. So computer also is a term later given to a mechanical device as they began replacing the human computers. Today, computers are electronic devices that accept data or input, it process the data, and produce an data or output and then store it in the result. So, ibig sabihin, after the human computers, we are now on the electronic computers. Diba? So, ngayon, ang nagpapagana na is hindi na mismo yung human. But, sabi ko nga kanina, computers made by human. So, para mas papadali yung ginagawa natin sa araw-araw, human created a mechanical computer. So, ayan. Ang unang-unang computer na nabuo is yung calculator. Di ba? So, meron kayong kaalaman. Ayun. So, of course, in a computer, we have the so-called CPU, or the Central Processing Unit. So CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the main brain of the computer. So ibig sabihin, 'di ba? Kasi nga parang tao ang computer, mayroon din siyang tinatawag na brain. 'Di ba? So pag ibig sabihin nun, pag may brain tayo, functional dapat, 'di ba? So hindi yung may brain tayo pinapagana. Uy. No. So functional si computer because meron siyang tinatawag na central processing unit and meron siyang tinatawag na brain like a human. Ayan. So central repository of a computer. Pag sinabing central repository of a computer, siya yung binabatuhan ng mga datas, kinukunan ng datas. At doon din sinisave yung mga datas. Okay. So, yan yung CPU. Yan. And, syempre, computer has two parts. So, anong dalawang parts na yun? We have the hardware and software. So, let's discuss with hardware muna. So, hardware is the physical components as the electronic and electrical devices of a computer. Hardware, physical. Ibig sabihin, nahahawakan natin siya. Tangible. Nahahawakan natin siya. That's every parts of a computer that we can hold, di ba? So, tangible, nakikita natin, nahahawakan natin. Yung tinatawag na hardware parts of a computer. So, example dyan is yung ayan. So, that will be the examples of hardware. Okay, so next one is software. So what is software? Software is the program that run on a computer and perform a certain functions. Ibig sabihin, siya yung reason why your physical components, why those parts of computer is functional. Diba? So parang sa tao, may kamay nga ako, diba? Pero hindi ka naman maigalaw. But of course, I have a brain, and I have my soul, so I can work. Diba? So parang ganun. Diba? So now we are programmed, and computer is also programmed. Also have a program for them to work. Diba? So yun yung tatawag na software. So what's example of a software part ng computer? Ayan. Ayan. So ibig sabihin lahat na applications that you used, diba? In your cell phones nowadays, di ba? And to your computers, of course, lahat na applications na ginagamit natin is yung tinatawag na software. So, intangible naman siya. Okay, so kung ang hardware is tangible, the software is intangible. Hindi natin nahawakan. It's programmable. Okay. So, next. So, we have the three common computer devices. The first one is the input device. The second one is the output device and the storage device. So let's start with input device. So input device is used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as a computer or information appliance. Diba? So ibig sabihin, ito yung nagpo-provide ng data to control signals through the computer. So, what's example of this one? So, example is scanner, camera, keyboard, mouse, microphone, and so on and so forth. So, yan yung example natin ng input device. So, yung mga reason kung bakit gumagalaw, kung bakit nagkaroon tayo ng result doon sa ating ginagawa sa computers. Without camera, you can capture your images. Without the mouse, you can move the cursor on your workplace. Without the scanner, you can scan the pictures or images that you want. Diba? Without the keyboard, you can type the text that you want. Diba? So that's an example of input devices. Okay, so next one is the output device. So output device is any device of a computer hardware that used to communicate the results of data processing. So from input, pinapasok natin yung information, then syempre, hindi naman pwedeng walang result yon. Diba? So, ayan. So, yung tinatawag na output device. So, output device is any device use or send data from a computer to another device user. So, what's example of output device? So, example is yung speaker, printer, monitor, yung headphones, and yung ating LCD. Okay. Yung sa screen na lumalabas. Sa speaker, di ba? Pag wala tayong speaker, of course, wala rin kang marinig na sound. So, ano ba yung input device na para magkaroon tayo ng sound o para mayroong lumabas na sound sa speaker? Of course, yung microphone. So, microphone is an input device while the speaker is an output device. O, diba? From microphone, lalabas siya doon sa ating speakers. Okay, so may process doon. So, from input, process, and output. Okay. So, yon. Okay, next one natin is the storage device. So, this device is for storing information or data from the word itself, storage. So, ito naman na parts or parts ng computer, common parts of computer device that can store all your informations inputted to your computer for us to say keep all the documents, all the data that we wanted for or what that we made. So we need the storage device, o diba? Para if in case na masira yung computer mo, at least you have these devices na anytime is andun pa rin yung ginawa mong data. Okay. So, ayan. So, any device capable of storing data, it refers to as a mass storage device such as the disk or so on and so forth. So, what are the examples of storage device? So, ayan. We have the flash drive, the floppy disk drive, the zip disk or the CDR, yan, okay, CDRW, and so on and so forth. Okay. So that is the 3 common computer devices. So, yan guys. So, I know that those parts of a computer is very basic to all of us, but sometimes nakakalimutan na natin yung mga basic na yan. Lagi natin tatandaan guys na lahat ng basic is very important upon going through sa kung ano man yung meron tayo. So, for example, sa mathematics, di ba? Yung 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1 times 2, 2 divided by 2 is a basic. Di ba? Pero pag nandun ka na sa higher level of education, same pa rin. Kailangan pa rin malaman yung pinaka-basic. Kasi kung hindi mo alam yung basic, hindi ka makapunta na sa pinaka-higher. So parang, di ba? Parang yung 10 pesos, you can get 10 pesos without 1 peso. So it's just simple as that the basic is very important in our daily life. The basic is so important in any aspects. So I hope guys na meron kayo natutunan sa araw na to. So abangan nyo pa po yung mga susunod kong videos. But of course guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell and click all for more updated videos. So, always remember guys, always remember mga kabusog, na kapag ikaw at ang iyong utak ay busog sa kaalaman, hinding-hindi ka mapaglalamangan. So with that guys, see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye-bye! Ka-idol, nagustuhan mo ba ang video iyong napanood? Huwag kakalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat idol! Bye-bye!